Yes, student, from the previous video, we learned that to write a chemical formula for a particular chemical compound, we must have to learn how to find valency or charge in an elements. Okay, so valency, it is find by observing number one, what? Atomic number. Number two, number of electron present in given element. And number three, distribution of electron. So if we know these three things, which I already introduced in the previous class in the form of a chart, and if you have learnt it properly, then there will be no difficulty at all. Okay, like example, find valency of hydrogen, sodium, oxygen, sulfur, aluminium. Aluminium. Now what to do? I told you, first I have to find what? Its atomic number. What is the atomic number of hydrogen? It is what? 1. What is the atomic number of sodium? You know it is what? 11. What is the atomic number of oxygen? It is 8. What is the atomic number of sulfur? It is 16. And what is the atomic number of aluminium? It is what? 13. Now what to do? We have to write its number of electron is equal to atomic number. Okay, say number of electron. So if the atom is neutral, then the number of electron is equal to its atomic number, that is 1, 11, 8, 16 and 13. Student, I randomly picked these elements. Okay, now how to distribute it? Distribution of electron. Like student, when you are playing volleyball, so what you are doing during the playing of volleyball, suppose there are 7 players in one side. So whether we are placing all the 7 players in the same place? No. What we are doing? We are placing 2 players near to the net, then the 3 players in the middle part, and then the 2 players in the back part. This is what the distribution of player according to the requirement. Okay, like we are playing cricket. So whether all the 11 fielders are remains in the same place? No. Okay, the players are distributed in different places. Getting? You better know, even as compared to me, how they are getting distributed. Similarly, if atoms, that is the elements, are having 1 or more number of electrons, then these electrons are distributed properly, which we will discuss in next chapter. But in this chapter, very short, I am explaining you the 2 electron can be placed only in first shell, but there is only 1 electron, so we will place what? 1 electron of hydrogen. If there are 11 electrons are there, then the first two electrons are placed near to the nucleus. The next 8 electrons are placed after that orbit, that is shell, and now the remaining electron, that is whatever the electron will be, is placed in the valence shell. This is called the valence shell electron. Getting? Like 8 electrons are there. Now how they are going to distribute? So very first the 2 electron will be placed near to the nucleus and the remaining electron will be placed after it. That is what, 6. If the sulfur is there, then again the first near to the nucleus there will be 2 and then remaining 8 will be after it, not more than 8. Now the remaining electrons are placed in the valence shell. This is called valence shell. If aluminum is there, 13, then the first 2 will be placed and then 8 and then the remaining electrons are placed in outermost shell. This is called what? Valence shell. So this shell which is present just very out of an atom is known as what? Valence shell. This is termed as what? Valence shell. So what is combination capacity? It depends on electron present in valence shell. Okay. Combination capacity, time देखना बेटा, capacity depends on okay, what? Number of electron present in valence shell. Okay. Now student, in next video I will tell you how can we find the valency.